Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in front of me, I have the newly released SmartTag that Samsung just released alongside the S21 series. And today I'm going to be unboxing it, setting it up, and showing y'all the process of how to do it, plus how to use it, and also what features it has and what it enables you to do. So this is going to be the first time I'm checking out this device, so I'm not exactly sure how to use it anyways, but I guess it'll show us along the setup process through the Galaxy Wearables or SmartThings app. So let us begin. Let's first check out the box real quick. In front we have SmartTag 1-pack, and then I'm guessing they'll probably sell like 2-packs or whatnot, because it does say 1-pack, so they probably have a 2-pack. We also have a SmartTag image right here, Galaxy SmartTag, that's what it's going to look like, and then the Samsung logo. So on the left side, Galaxy, and then we have some things, so it shows you luggage, keys, pets. So I'm guessing it just gives you a couple options of what you could put it on. Like you could tie it onto the collar of your pet, your dog, cat, or whatnot, and you won't lose them if you're like letting them walk around a lot, letting them go outside your house a lot. You'd probably be able to find them with this. And then also you could put it on your keys and your luggage, so when you're in the airport, if you can't find your luggage, you could use this. Or if you just happen to drop your key somewhere in your car, or maybe even somewhere outside, you could probably just find it through this SmartTag. So let's go ahead and begin. The backside doesn't have too much. It just says SmartTag and then just some other in different languages right there. And then we also have a QR code. So let's go ahead and open this up. We do have a little piece of tape right there. Get that open and pull this out. Okay, so we're instantly greeted by the SmartTag in front of us in this little casing inside this plastic thing right here. Let's go ahead and check out what's inside. So we do have, I guess, a quick start guide. We really don't need that. We might have to read it because I've never set up something similar, because this is Samsung's first SmartTag and I haven't used anything like this before, so I might need to read it. But you probably won't. It does seem pretty simple. Let's go ahead and pop this baby out real quick. Just push it out. And here we are greeted with the Samsung SmartTag. So back there, if you can see that, it says Samsung. Go ahead and take it back a little. It says Samsung on that logo. And then in front of it, it says Galaxy SmartTag right there. So there's a button there. If you can hear that, I basically clicked it just now. And then we also have the ring hole. Plus, I believe the speaker is down here. Yeah, the speaker is down there. It's a little slot right there, so you're able to hear the sound that it makes. So I'm pretty sure the setup is pretty easy. I did see a video before this where you just click it, and yeah, right there. You just click the button next to your Samsung device, which is unlocked, and you go ahead and add it. So a new device has been found. Let me go ahead and show this closer. A new device has been found. Add this device to SmartThings, Galaxy SmartTag, and then it says don't add later or add now. I'm going to go ahead and click add now because I will be adding it. Getting ready, everything ready. Let's go ahead and wait for that real quick. So I'm guessing the setup process is pretty easy because we just had to click that. It says use of location information. I'm going to go ahead and agree because that's the reason you get it, to find the location of something. Let's get started. Start connecting. So we're going to wait for that. Connected. Press the center button. So boom. Almost there. Your SmartTag is being registered to your account. And let us wait for that. So 45%. There is a little bar right there, a status bar, or a status circle, I'm guessing. We're going to wait for that to fill out. And while we're waiting for that, let's go ahead and check out the device a little more. Oh, okay, it connected already. So my home, on the go, device name, I'm just going to keep it as SmartTag for now. Let's go ahead and click done. And then wait for that to get set up. As I said, let's go ahead and check out the device a little more. So the build quality does seem pretty nice. The plastic they're using, it's not some cheap plastic that you'd find in some other products that are similar to this. And so it does give a good feeling of confidence that this won't just break on you. What if you do lose something, and you'll probably be able to find your device again. So I'm not exactly sure if you can change the batteries on these. You probably can through the slot or something, but I'm not exactly sure. As I said, I don't know too much about the SmartTag, and so I can't give you an answer. So use with SmartThings Find. So SmartThings Find is new. It did come with One UI 3.0, and what it basically allows you to do is find your devices. So Samsung had this Find My Mobile thing before, but you had to go to the website. You had to write down Samsung Find My Mobile and whatnot, and it was kind of annoying. It didn't look the best. However, with this new SmartThings Find app, it's way easier. It's basically like Google's Find device, which I did use before this, since Find My Mobile was not the best. So let's go ahead and click next. Ring your tags to help you find it. Start. Okay, update your tag. Let's go ahead and update that. Let's wait for it to update, I'm guessing. Start automation with your tag. So automation. Okay, so this is another feature with the smart tags. What it allows you to do is connect to SmartThing, SmartThing devices like lamps, your fridge, Samsung appliances, and with a click of a button, you're able to automatically basically turn on your lights. You do only have one option, and that's to click on it. I believe it's once or twice. And once you click it, you can only set you can either do a couple things at once with that one click, or one thing, because you can't have multiple clicks with that. But they'll probably update it and get like triple clicks, quadruple clicks, and whatnot. But so far they don't have that as of right now. You only have double click and normal click, just one click, which allows you to find your device and whatnot. So let's go ahead and wait for this to update. It says it's still updating. Find phone or tablet with tag. So can't find your phone or tablet, make a ring by pressing your tags button twice. So yeah, pressing it twice is to find it. Pressing it once is for the commands. Let's go ahead and check out what it says over here. Start a SmartThings automation by pressing the button on your tag when it's near your phone. So that's pretty nice. So go ahead and click start, and boom, status, nearby. And it also gives you a map view, I'm guessing. Let tag find your device. I'm going to go ahead and definitely turn that on, because I do want to allow the tag to find my device. So if I do happen to lose my device, I could go ahead and find it through the tag if it's close enough. Use button for automations right there, pressed. And oh yeah, there is a holding. Sorry, I don't know too much. As I said, this is my first time using it as well, so you can hold it as well to do some certain actions. I'm going to skip that because I do not have SmartThings appliances. I don't have any of Samsung things or smart lights anyways. So volume, I'm going to go ahead and keep that at high. Let me go ahead and press play. Okay, so that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and check out the ringtones. Oh, okay, so I gotta click apply. Okay, that's pretty annoying. You'd probably be able to find it. Just gonna go to simple tone. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click classic tone. That did seem pretty annoying, and it'd probably allow me to find it faster. So let's go ahead and stop that real quick. Okay, so if you heard that, let me go ahead and play one more time without me speaking. That is pretty loud. So you'd probably be able to find this in your house if you lost your, keys or something else that you connected to in your home. You'd probably be able to find it in around like a 50 foot, maybe not even that much, like 25 feet radius. You'd probably be able to hear like a slight ring. And then if you got closer, you'd already know, because it does give you a status if you're nearby or not. So battery full 1 minute ago. Let's go ahead and click that. Full 91-100, medium 16 to 90%, low 6 to 15%, very low. So it's giving you battery information. We are at full capacity right now. Once I do find out if you're able to change the battery or maybe even charge it, maybe this has like some wireless charging coil inside of it there. If it does, that'd be pretty awesome, but I haven't heard anything like that, so I don't think there is. Okay, so that's about it for that. So let's go ahead and try and find my phone. So I'm going to go, let's say I lost my device, and I need to find it with the smart tag. I go ahead and click the smart tag. Oh, that's for appliances. Double click the smart tag. So it just finds your phone. It says finding your phone. Let me go ahead and dismiss that. So it tells you it's finding your phone, and it tries to find it and whatnot, and it rings a very loud noise. It takes your speakers to the max, and as you can see, I have do not disturb turned on, and you can still hear it. So that's pretty nice. Do not disturb doesn't affect it, and it still allows you to hear the thing. So let me go ahead and go to devices real quick, and let me go ahead and go to on the go. So smart tag. Okay, so let me go ahead and find my smart tag. How do I go ahead and find it? Okay, let's go to smart tag. I'm guessing you just have to click play, and boom. So we already did that. That's how you find your smart tag. If you got to connect it to your keys or whatnot, and if you're trying to find your phone, let me go ahead and demonstrate again. You just take your smart tag and double click. Right there. Easy as that. You're able to find your device, and it'll help. I believe this will help out a lot of people if you're clumsy. I usually don't carry too many keys around with me, so when I do, I don't tend to lose them, but sometimes I don't use too many at the same time, and if I'm trying to look for some keys, this will definitely come in handy for me. And if there are people that do carry a lot of keys or something else, in honesty, if they carry something else, maybe they got a keychain, just connect it to that, and if you don't want to lose it, you'll definitely want to pick one of these up. And if you did pre-order a Samsung S21, you already get it with the device, so that's pretty nice, and you don't have to go out and buy it again. I believe these are $30 USD, so they don't cost too much. They're pretty cheap, and you could pick this up for basically all your devices. Just put in some money, and it'll help you a lot. So far, I haven't heard anything about bugs with this device, but we don't know yet. It hasn't been too long since this has been released, and so I can't say too much about the device. But as of right now, I'm pretty happy with the results that I got with the Galaxy Smart Tag, and I hope that this video helps you out on deciding if you want to get it or not. So that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.